ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಸಿಂಗಪುರ್ ಪ್ರವಾಸದ ಈ ಒಂದು 6ನೇ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಶೋ ನಡೆಸುವವರು ಕೂಗಿದಾಗ ಅಬ್ಬರದ ಸಂಗೀತದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹಾರಿ ಬಂದು ಆ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈ ಜುಮ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ ಆನಂದಿಸಿ.
Pretty well. And you know what? This is like Dina here has done a wonderful job. It's time for her to get back home to her trailer. Let's give it up for Dina, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, take a look at the screen. That looks like a scene of chaos, doesn't it? Greedy birds competing and stripping the suckers down to its bones. That looks like a disorganized street frenzy.
Abatina vultures, they are a social species and they respect their place in the pecking order. So when vultures gather, there is a feeding protocol.
So let's meet our very first guest at the feast, our African white man vulture. These birds are the middle way to eat from flesh and organs. Today, I'm sociable to highlight the restless demons. Once the carcass is found, today we will ring their bell before beginning to feed. But once they get going, about 100 birds will gather for a meal and strip the carcass down to its bones in less than 10 minutes. One body found across Africa, today and unfortunately
With sharp talons and a toothpick to tear apart the tops of the carcass to eat chunks of flesh. Look at posing for the photos. They got a huge everyone.
well, Gloria, should we learn some more traditions from this?
Really?
Yes, we do. Let's welcome our mountain folk from Africa. And there's one more wild dance. These birds have feather-like wings and a skirt over their tails.
They cooperate and coexist with the vultures joining them in the feast. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, 111 species of vultures in Africa, clean up to
ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ ಆಯಿತು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್, ಶೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಜೈ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್.